Kumusta? I am Trisha. My name is Trisha. Or ang pangalan ko ay si Trisha. And today, we will be going to learn basic phrases in English, Tagalog, and in Bisaya. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. First, let's proceed to our very first word or phrase, which is hello. In English, you can say hello if you would want to greet someone along the way, like if ever you see your family, friends, or even acquaintances, you can say or greet them as hello. But in Tagalog, you can say kumusta. Kumusta or kumusta. It is the same as when you say hello in English. Kumusta? While in Bisaya, you can also say the same word. Kumusta? So as you can observe, in English, hello, in Tagalog, kumusta, and in Bisaya, you can also say the same word as in Tagalog, which is kumusta. Get it? Next word would be good morning. So in English, if you want to say good morning, if ever you would want to greet someone in the morning, so you will say good morning. But in Tagalog, you can say magandang umaga. So here, in English, good morning. In Tagalog, you can say magandang umaga or magandang umaga. While in Bisaya, you can say maayong buntag. So as you can observe, in Tagalog, magandang umaga. So good means magandang and morning means umaga in Tagalog. But in Bisaya, good means maayong, or you can say maayong, and morning, you can say buntag. So maayong buntag. Maayong buntag or good morning. Magandang umaga or good morning. So this is how you say this word or phrase. Next would be good afternoon. So in English, you say good afternoon or good afternoon. While in Tagalog, you can say magandang hapon. So, it's just the same as good. In Tagalog, you can also say magandang, but it's different when it comes to afternoon. So, as you can see, afternoon in Tagalog, you can say hapon. So, if in English, good afternoon, in Tagalog, you can say magandang hapon or magandang hapon. While in Bisaya, you can say maayong udto. So here, in English, good. In Bisaya, it's maayong. Maayong. Afternoon in English, but in Bisaya, it's udto. Maayong udto. Maayong udto or good afternoon. In Tagalog, magandang hapon. In Bisaya, maayong udto. Next is good evening. So in English, you can say good evening, but in Tagalog, you can say magandang gabi. So it's just the same as good morning, good afternoon, good evening, the word good. So they are just similar, as you can observe, magandang, magandang, magandang. But it's different when it comes to morning, afternoon, and evening. Good evening in Tagalog, magandang, and evening, gabi. So good, magandang, evening, gabi. Good evening, magandang gabi. While in Bisaya, you can say maayong gabi. So here, maayong is just the same here as well in good morning, good afternoon, good evening, but different when it comes to morning, afternoon, and evening. So good in English, in Bisaya, you can say maayong. Good, maayong, and evening, you can say in Bisaya as gabi. So maayong gabi. Maayong gabi. Okay, let's repeat. In English, good evening. In Tagalog, magandang gabi. In Bisaya, maayong gabi. Next word or phrase would be how are you? So in English, you can say how are you if you would want to know if someone is doing well or whatsoever in their lives. So you can say, hi, how are you? Or how are you now? But in Tagalog, you can say, kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? So here, in English, you can say, how are you? But in Tagalog, you can say, kumusta ka? Kumusta ka or kumusta ka? Something like that. But in Bisaya, you can say, how are you as kumusta. Or you can also add the ka because ka word means you in English. So, but it depends on the words or phrases or sentences. But in this phrase, how are you or kumusta ka, you can also say in Bisaya, kumusta or kumusta ka. So, Tagalog and Bisaya do have some similarities. So, here, again, let's repeat. In English, you can say, how are you? In Tagalog, you can say, kumusta ka or kumusta. In Bisaya, you can also say the same thing as kumusta or kumusta ka. So it just depends on whether you put ka or not. It won't change the meaning or the phrases. Get it? Okay, next term or word would be good. So if someone asks you, how are you? You tend to say good or I am good in English. But in Tagalog, when someone asks you, kumusta ka? You can answer, mabuti. Mabuti. Mabuti, good or mabuti. While in Bisaya, you can say, maayo. 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 Again, in English, you can say good. In Tagalog, you can say mabuti. While in Bisaya, you can answer or you can say maayo. Next would be I am good. So here, it's just a word or good here. It's a complete sentence or I am good or phrase. I am good. So in Tagalog, you can say mabuti ako. Mabuti ako. mabuti ako. So if in English, you can say I am good. In Tagalog, you can say mabuti ako. Well, in Bisaya, you can say maayo ko. Maayo ko. So again, in English, you can say I am good. Tagalog, you can say mabuti ako. In Bisaya, you can say maayo ko. Now, let's proceed to the next word or phrase. Thank you. In English, you can say thank you if you would want to thank someone. But in Tagalog, you can say salamat. Salamat or salamat. You can also add po to be more polite or to sound polite. You can say thank you. In Tagalog, you can say salamat po. So it just depends. It won't change the meaning. Either you use or you say salamat or salamat po. It's just the same as thank you in English term. Now, in Bisaya, thank you, you can say salamat. Salamat. The same term or word in Tagalog. Salamat. So normally Bisaya, you can also say po. But Bisaya, they say it directly like salamat, or some Bisaya, they would say it salamat po. So it's just the same in Tagalog term. Next would be sorry. Sorry. Now, in Tagalog, you can say sorry as pasensya na. Again, pasensya na. So in English, you can say sorry. But in Tagalog, you can say pasensya na or pasensya na. You can also add po if you would want to be more polite or to sound polite. Pasensya na po or pasensya na. Either of the two, it's just the same as sorry in English word. Next is in Bisaya. Sorry, in Tagalog, pasensya na po. While in Bisaya, you can say pasensya na. So as you can observe or you can see, it's just the same as in Tagalog. So in English, you can say sorry. In Bisaya, you can also say pasensya na or pasensya na po. Or normally, Bisaya would just say pasensya na when they say sorry to someone. So, again, in English, sorry. In Tagalog, you can say pasensya na or pasensya na po. And it's just the same thing in Bisaya, which is pasensya na or pasensya na po. The last word that you need to know or basic phrase in English, Tagalog, and Bisaya would be goodbye. In English, you can say goodbye to someone if you would want to leave or to go somewhere or wherever. You can say goodbye or goodbye. But in Tagalog, you can say paalam. Paalam or paalam. But in Bisaya, you can also say in Bisaya, you can also say paalam, same as Tagalog or bye. Actually, fun fact, in Bisaya, there is no actual Taga Bisaya word, they just tend to borrow it like what is the English term. For example, goodbye. In Bisaya, there is no actual or translation of goodbye word. So, normally, Bisaya tend to just say bye or paalam. It could be paalam or bye or either of the two. It's just the same thing as when you say goodbye in English. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something and hope to see you soon for my next video. Bye!